important thing here is we need to know the absolute transaction codes create uh, customer and vendor master data. Okay, see, obsolete means what? The most important thing here is uh, I mean one transaction code is replaced with another transaction code. Okay, have you got my point? One transaction code is replaced with another transaction codes. Okay, so what is the transaction code here? To create customer master, to create customer, to create vendor and all, what are the transaction codes that you will going to use? What are the transaction codes that you will going to use? Jen, what are
OBD3, yes.
ah
Under the
to create the
OBD3, we are
customers?
creating the domestic.
No, no, no. To create the customers, customer master
OBD2,
data.
yes.
No.
Under the
X01.
OBD2 account group, we are creating.
No, no, no.
Hello.
See here, I'm not asking about the account groups and all. I'm asking about the customer master data and vendor master data where we can create it. XT01 and
XK01 and
XK.
XT01.
Yes. So these things are very, very important. Okay. And you need to have more focus on the absolute transaction code. Okay. What are the things that we are following right now? You see, the following SAP ECC transactions are no longer available. What are those? FD01, FD02, FD03, FD05, FD06. So all these things will be there, right? That is related to the FI customer. Okay. And also when it comes to the SD customer, we will use transaction codes VD01. I mean, when we have the sales and distributions and all, VD01, VD02, VD03, VD05, VD06. And also customer centrally means XD01. XD05. Okay, and also XD06 and XD07. Give me 1 minute. Okay, see, the most important thing here is we have some transaction code that is related to the FI customers, SD customers, customer centrally, and FI vendors. Okay, like customizing transaction code FK01, XK01, FK02, XK02, FK03, FK05, 06, FK06, and FK08, like this. See, and also when it comes to the vendor, we have MK01, MK02, MK03, MK05, MK06, MK12, MK18, and MK19. And centrally, XK01, XK02, XK03, and XK05, and XK06, and XK07, that is centrally, right? And all these transaction codes are redirected to the BP only. Okay, have you got my point? So redirection to transaction codes, that is BP. Okay, now we will do the one thing. We can just click on the XD01, suppose sample thing XD01. Give the transaction code of XD01. Click on the enter. Okay, and it is directly taking you to the create of the business partner. Okay, with the help of business partner only, with the help of business partners roles only, okay, you can create the general master data and also company code data and also sales and distribution data. That is very, very important right now. Okay, please keep in your mind that whatever the transaction codes that you are using in ECC, those all are obsoleted in S4 HANA. You just need to have more focus. Okay, we will do one thing. Cancel this option. Go to the transaction code XK01 to create the customer master data. We will use the transaction code XK01, right? Yeah, go to the transaction code XK01. See here, what is it is showing in the in the below option, redirecting to transaction BP as transaction XK01 is obsolete. Okay, these are the things. How you can know whether the transaction code is obsoleted or not? These things are very, very important, right? You need to have more focus. Okay, for this, we need to go to the ABAP editor. Okay, ABAP edition, dictionaries and all. Okay, we will use the transaction code that is SE38. Go to the transaction code SE38. Go to the transaction code SE38. So you will come to know the points, each and everything. Okay, to to view the absolute transaction codes and all, what is the program that we can use? What is the program that we can going to use is uh, PRO, PRO, O, FG, FG, EN, EN underscore CORR, CORR, yes, report to, that is exchange of absolute transaction in role menu. Yeah, take out that one. SAP GA has closed the communication channel. All sessions are lost. Okay, you can just give a /n, no worries. You can just give /n and go to the transaction code SE38 once again. SE38. SAP GUI has closed the communication channel. Oh, again we are getting some error. Okay, no worries. Click on the plus button. Click on the plus button. I think the communication has been lost. Okay, they're not showing anything. We do one thing. Close this. Yeah, close the program. Okay, right. Go to the transaction code SC38 and you can just give yeah, and I will copy that thing and all. Okay, paste it in the chat box. Go to the chat box and copy that one and paste it here. Copy that one. Paste it. Okay, I think it is not right. Okay, give directly PROFGEN PROFGEN underscore CORR underscore report REPORT underscore 2 underscore 2 Okay, and go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Yes. No, don't take out that one. Yeah, go to the execute option. There is an execute button will be there, right? Execute. EXECUTE. Yes. Okay. See, there are single roles. If you want composite roles, you can just take it in. Okay, single roles, all those transactions will be displayed in that single roles only. Single roles. Okay, so those things are very, very important right now. And what we can say, you can just go to the more option. Go to the more option. Okay, we will see any options will be there. Program documentation, yes, execute and print. Okay, we don't want any print. Okay, we don't want any print. Okay, yeah, just remove this one. Here there is a execute option. Here there is a execute option. Here అక్కడ కాదు, ఇక్కడ last లో. Yes, execute that one. Okay, you will going to find out the each and every role. I mean, whatever the transactions that you are using right now. Okay, I mean, whatever the transactions that are there in the ECC and that are not there in the S4 HANA, all those will be displayed in S4 HANA. Okay, and also obsolete transactions will be displayed. Okay, that is very, very important right now. And you will going to see the exact details of this one. Okay. Okay, right, good. And execution of role menu is spelling. Okay, very good. See, old entry will be deleted. You can see the change customizing, display customizing, change data in error. Okay, right now we need to have, okay, old transaction, and we will going to see the old transactions for the BP. Okay, BP means what? General master data of the customers, general master data of the vendors and all, right? And you can just go to the find out option. I mean, control F, go to the control F, control F. In your keypad only, click on control F. Or else go to the search button. See, there is a search button, right? Yeah. And here you can just give XK01 or XD01, XK01 or XD01. No. Yes. Go to the OK option. Go to the OK option. See here, entry will be replaced. What is the entry will be replaced? XK01 will be replaced by the, okay, BP only. That is very much important. Okay, we will going to see the, see, old entry will be, we will going to see the details and all. Okay, and expand the find out option. Okay, drag that one, expand that one. No, here only. Then పైకి తెచ్చుకో. ఆ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఆప్షన్ ని కాదు ఈ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని ఆ స్క్రీన్ ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని జస్ట్ పైకి తెచ్చుకో మౌస్ ద్వారా. ఇప్పుడు ఓకే చేయి. నో XK01 అనే ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని ఓకే చేయి. కంటిన్యూ ఆప్షన్ రావట్లేదా? ఓకే కంటిన్యూ ఆప్షన్ రావట్లేదా?
No, sir. Only okay. Okay, show చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే, నో వరీస్. సి, మనకి కస్టమర్, ఓకే, వెండర్ మాస్టర్ డేటాస్ ఇవన్నీ, సి ద ఎంట్రీ విల్ బి రీప్లేస్డ్. ఏ ఎంట్రీతో రీప్లేస్డ్ అవుతుంది? సి, ఇది XK01 అనేది మాస్టర్ డేటా అనేది అంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఇప్పుడు XD01 తీసుకో. XD01 ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఈ ఈ XD01s అనేది రెగ్యులేటర్గా, ఐ మీన్ XD02 ఆర్ XD03 ఎనీథింగ్, ఆ ఎంట్రీ విల్ బి రీప్లేస్డ్ అంటున్నారు. ఏ ఎంట్రీతో రీప్లేస్ అవుతుంది? ఒక న్యూ సెషన్ తీసుకో, ఒక న్యూ సెషన్ తీసుకొని యా ఒక న్యూ సెషన్ తీసుకొని ఇప్పుడు XD01 తీసేసుకో. XD01 XD ఇక్కడ చూడు, రీడైరెక్టింగ్ టు ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ BP as transaction XD01 is obsolete. ఇప్పుడు నీకు అర్థమైంది కదా. సో ఇలా ఆబ్సొలేట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్స్ అన్ని చూసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ క్లయింట్కి కూడా మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ గ్యాదరింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు కానీ, వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నా అడుగుతున్నప్పుడు కానీ, ఏమేమి ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ రీప్లేస్ అయినాయి అని వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నా అడిగితే ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? అంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. profgen_corr_report_2. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకో విషయం. ఓకేనా? దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. గుడ్.